This is how to install a portable version of Reaper on Linux, because different from Windows and Mac OS, on Linux, even if you install Reaper in a separate folder and try to open it, it will still use the settings from the main installation of Reaper on your machine. So if you want to install a portable Reaper just to try things out without ruining your main installation, this is how to do it on Linux. After you have downloaded Reaper from the Reaper website, you'll just double click on it to extract it. And then I'll go into this folder, go again into it, and I'll move the Reaper folder. I don't care about the install script. I just want this folder that is called Reaper with capital letters. I want to move it to the downloads. And then I can later delete those other folders. I don't care about them. So this is my Reaper folder that contains the Reaper data. Next step, I want to open the terminal and I will do CD to change directory into the downloads/Reaper with big letters and hit enter. Now we are inside that Reaper folder. How did I know to type that? Let's go back a step. Right now we are in the home folder. If I do ls, I'll see all the folders that are in the home folder. One of them is the downloads, so I can do cd downloads. Now we are in the downloads. I can do ls again to see what's in there, and there is this Reaper folder, so I can do cd Reaper with big letters and hit enter. Now we are inside that Reaper folder. So that's what I did in the beginning. Change directory, download/Reaper. I just want to make sure you understand what we're doing. So now that we are inside that Reaper folder, there's just one command I want to type, and it's this one, /Reaper. This is telling my computer to open the Reaper program. That is this one, the binary. And it's telling it to put the configuration file, cfg-config file, in the downloads Reaper and call it reaper.ini. So in that folder that we already navigated to, it will create a file called reaper.ini, and Reaper will read the configuration from that file. And this tilde just indicates that we are in the home folder. So it doesn't matter what your username is. It will take you to the downloads reaper.ini. So if you follow these steps in the video, you will have the same exact setup as I do. Now I'll hit enter. And you can see in real time, it created that file and it created other things with it. And now since I have Reaper already open, it did not open the other Reaper. But if I close Reaper, I will have no sound right now just to show you. And I will open it this way. It will be a completely independent Reaper. Hey, 1, 2. Now the catch with this is that every time you need to open the portable Reaper, you need to use this command in the terminal. Even if you go to the folder where your portable Reaper is and try to open the Reaper binary, it will open with the configuration of the installed Reaper. You can make a script that you can double click on and it would do that command for you. I just don't want to overcomplicate things. I'll give you the commands in a text file in the description below so you can copy and paste them. Now this might make the icon of your installed Reaper disappear. Nothing happened to your installed Reaper, is not broken. So here's how to make it come back. That same folder that you downloaded to install Reaper, you'll just extract it again, go into it and find the install script. You'll right click on it, run it as a program normally, just like you would install Reaper normally. But instead of installing, you will type A to add desktop integration and hit enter and just wait a few seconds. And it will appear back. The icon will be back. But after you delete the installation folder from your downloads, Reaper will also not open again. So you'll need to go into the search and search for Reaper, then right click and open the desktop file. That's the easiest way to find it. And if you don't have that extension, you can go to extensions and browse, then search for open desktop file, and this is the first one right here, open.desktop file location. Install that extension, and so when you go and search for Reaper or any other application, you can right click on the icon and either open the desktop file location where you'll find all the desktop files, or you can open the desktop file itself and that will show up like this. So if it's not opening, it's because the path of the exec line right here is different. On your normal Reaper installation, it will be in root opt/Reaper/Reaper. So just delete everything before the big Reaper and type opt and make sure there's a / in front of it that indicates the root. And after that, don't click on the icon, but actually click on the Reaper binary inside the OPT folder and it will open. And then when you close it and click on the icon, it will open normally again. You'll have fixed it. I know that's not the most user-friendly thing ever, but it is what it is. If you don't want to ruin your main Reaper installation and you want to have a separate install, you can do that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, click on the video on screen right now, and I'll see you there.